Hey guys, Sam from BBQ here, and this week I'm making candied bacon with maple syrup on the Pit Boss pellet grill. So let's get into it. So first up, I'm going to put some brown sugar into a bowl. And then I'm going to add maple syrup and mix it up until it's a paste. Now we don't want this paste to be too thick, so just keep adding that maple syrup until you get kind of a runny, caramelly consistency. And that's looking pretty good there. So now I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to it. And I'll stir that through. Now I've got my streaky bacon. These are quite long pieces, so I'm just going to grab out half a dozen or so bits of bacon and throw them in that mixture we just made up. And give it a good stir. Make sure that all the bits of bacon are coated. And then I'm going to pull out all those bits of bacon one at a time and lay them on a piece of foil on a baking rack. So the foil's just going to help trap any grease and that sugary sauce instead of having it drip all over the pellet grill, because that will make a mess. All right, so once we've got those on, we'll go and put it on the pellet grill. Okay, so out here at the pellet grill, I've got it up to 175 degrees. And I'll just put the rack with the bacon straight on the grill. And I'll leave it there for about 10-15 minutes and I'll come check on it then. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes now, and let's have a look at this bacon. All right, well that's well and truly ready. I got a little bit tied up inside and it's a little bit overdone. Most of it looks really good, but there's just this one piece on the side here. You'll see it in a minute. But it's a little bit overdone, but it will still be okay. So now we'll just transfer those to another airing rack and let it cool down. The bits of bacon at the moment are still quite soft, but as they cool down and that sugary mixture can harden, they'll come out almost like jerky. All right, so here it is, our candied bacon with maple syrup. They look real good. Can't wait to taste this. My God, that is so good. It's like, so good. Maple goes awesome with bacon, and that little bit of smoke, bit of pepper, oh my God. I'm just going to eat that whole rack, I think. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you do try this recipe out, let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you, see how you got on. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. And I'll see you again next time.